we got the top 3 or 5 workouts for beginners that have limited mobility. Like we have people who are older, people who have back issues, and I know, look, let me say this. Before anybody goes out here and starts some strenuous exercise, go and talk to your doctor. We don't know what your limitations are. I don't know what your ability is and things like that. But with that being said, like, what are some good workouts outside of walking? Like, I think walking, if you can walk, but they might want to ramp it up a little bit more, targeting weight loss. What are your suggestions?
So resistance training is always a great thing to add into your regimen because you're building up lean body mass. And when you build up lean body mass through resistance training, it's going to raise your resting metabolic rate. So you're going to burn more calories in your sleep. So building muscle, you're going to increase your metabolism. You're going to burn more body fat by doing nothing. So during your recovery after a weightlifting session, you're burning more fat and your body has to recover for a longer period of time post-exercise. You're also building up that lean body mass. You're increasing your bone density and you're adding muscle mass. So that's going to increase your resting metabolic rate. So your metabolism will go up. Also, another really good one is yoga. I know, you know, Megan C. I think everyone knows her. She said that she had very limited mobility when she was at her heavy point and she started with yoga. And it's a really, really great way to get into working out and increase your mobility. You might be restricted right now, but starting with yoga, it's actually, I went to a yoga class last week and I was sore for a couple days and I was sweating like crazy. It wasn't even a hot yoga class. It was just a normal restorative yoga and I was sweating and sore. So yoga is great for all levels, especially it can be very good for beginners to increase your mobility and your range of motion in your joints in a safe manner, especially if you're going to a class, because you have somebody watching you, making sure that it's being done in a safe way. And it's still a really great workout. You're getting a lot of movement and you're increasing your mobility and you're doing it safely. So it's safe impact for your joints.
Man, I can
I
attest to
love
yoga.
yoga.
Huh?
Yeah,
I can
I
attest. Like,
love it.
I always think of yoga. I think the calm before the storm, or the calm in the storm,
Yeah.
because like you're in a tranquil like place mentally, but you're holding these postures. You feel it.
It is a
Like,
workout. It doesn't look like, you know, if you've never done it before and you've only seen it on TV or in pictures or videos, you're probably thinking, no, it's easy, it's boring, it's lame. It's a good workout and
um,
it's very challenging.
well, I've had a friend who's, I don't know I can't remember what the issues. I don't want to misquote it or misrepresent it, but she's had back issues to where she's actually had, surgery and different things done. And in order for her to strengthen her core, super limited on what she can do, but she looks up yoga. Sometimes she goes to
Hmm.
classes. Sometimes she looks up videos on YouTube and just
Yeah, there's
does what
great
she
ones on
can
YouTube.
and to help it out. And so if I had to
Hmm.
pick one,
Hmm.
probably yoga, because I know it's something I can do when I'm older, but flexibility,
Hmm.
core strength, balance,
Hmm.
like meditation can be involved. Like, I think
Hmm.
it's awesome.
Yeah, it can be very good for your mental health too, because you go through the meditation throughout the whole practice. It's just all around, it's really good. And it also builds a lot in your shoulder strength, your upper back, your hips. It's full body strength. It's a really good workout to do. And then third, I would say anything that gets you up and moving. Like it, you know, people say, you're a trainer, what's the best kind of exercise? What's the best workout program to follow? Honestly, that's what's so beautiful about exercise, is that there's so many options and you can find what you enjoy. Whatever you enjoy is the best type of workout. And as long as you're getting up and moving, and that's an underutilized and underseen aspect of fitness, is that it can be something that you enjoy and look forward to and makes your day better and makes your mood better. So yeah, just branch out, try new things, go to a gym and sign up for classes. You might find something that you didn't think you would ever enjoy and you will fall in love with it. I was interviewing some of our True Transformation winners, and that's what they all agreed, that the most surprising thing to them was that they found some type of fitness that they actually enjoy. because most of them said that they never were the workout type. They never thought that they would be somebody who enjoys working out or going to the gym or going to a fitness class. And now they've all found something that they actually enjoy. So
Yeah, I think
anything, anything that gets you moving.
movement, active. Hey, what did we say earlier?
Hmm.
Active lifestyle. And I'm glad you said that, because if you didn't, I was going to. We want you to continue. Look, bro, if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to do it. There's no way. And if it seems
Hmm.
like a chore and you approach it like it's a chore, something you have to do, there's only so much time before you realize you're not going to do it. That's why so many people
Hmm.
don't do it. They look at it in a different way instead of trying to find the fulfillment or the joy out of doing the workouts. And so, like for me, I love hiking.
Hmm.
It's one of my,
Oh, me
and
too.
it's not something I get to go and hike all the time, but I don't feel bad if I don't do a workout, but I go do a hike.
Hmm.
I consider that exercise. Or if I'm biking, I used to love mountain biking, or I guess you could road bike for the exercise, but I think biking is great. We had somebody that
Hmm.
lose just about 100 pounds who had back surgery, who had at one time been in a wheelchair,
Hmm.
and the supplements that we have allowed her to get in a better state, and she started biking. She started out small. I think she could do
Yeah,
like 50
biking's
minutes.
awesome. It's low impact on your joints. It's low impact on your back, your hips, and your knees, but it's still an amazing workout.
Yeah.
That's another one. Swimming's also another great one. If you have mobility issues or joint problems, swimming is low impact and it's an amazing cardio workout.
Really oh,
Hmm.
I mean, you meant like arm stroke. I was thinking like water
Yeah.
aerobics.
Oh,
You're talking
oh,
about like,
if you can join a water aerobics class, those are great because it takes some of that tension off of your joints and you're still getting movement. But just swimming laps is also good too if
oh,
you can't find a class.
dude, swimming laps. I can't even, I would get tired right now if I
Exhausting.
had to go swim, like for real.
Yeah.